Hi students, I'm Chandra Sekhar, working as a physics lecturer in Vinjee Junior College. So this is a curved concave mirror. This is the principal axis. Let us suppose an object is placed at a distance u from the pole of the mirror. A light ray moving parallel to the principal axis must be passing through the focus of the lens. This is called focus. A light ray is making an angle theta or incident by making an angle theta with the normal, then it reflected by making same angle theta. So now the point of intersection of these two reflected rays is the position of the image looks like. This is the image formed. This is the object OJ and this is the image IG. A light ray which is passing through the center of curvature, the light ray which is passing through the center of curvature retraces back. This is the center of curvature somewhere. This is the light ray passing through the center of curvature. That is retraces back. This point of intersection of all these rays is called as the image. This is the image form. The distance of the image from the pole is equal to V. The distance of the focus is equal to F. Distance of center of curvature is equal to R. From the diagram, so consider the triangle OJP. From triangle OJP. So tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is equal to OP. From triangle IGP, tan theta is equal to opposite side IG divided by IP. So this is equation 1 and this is the equation number 2. So now equating 1 and 2, OJ by OP is equal to IG by IP. So now OJ by IG is equal to OP by PI, taken as the equation number 3. So in the diagram, let us suppose this angle is taken as the somewhat alpha and this one is alpha. Drop the normal from here that intersects at a point P, whatever it is approximately. This is J dash. So from the diagram, from triangle FJ dash P, tan alpha equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is equal to J dash P divided by FP. J dash P divided by FP. From triangle IGF, tan alpha equal to opposite side IG by IF. This is taken as 4 and this is taken as 5. From equation number 4 and 5, J dash P by FP is equal to IG by IF. So from the diagram, just observe the situation. OJ is equal to PJ dash. That implies OJ divided by FP is equal to IG by IF, since J dash P is equal to OG. So from this equation, OG by IG is equal to FP divided by IF. This is taken as equation number 6. So I'll erase this part. From equation number 3 and 6, IG by OJ by IG is equal to OP by PI. OJ by IG is equal to FP by IF. That should be written as OP by PI is equal to FP divided by IF. So from the diagram, OP is nothing but object distance, that is equal to U by PI is nothing but image distance, that is equal to V, and FP is equal to focal length F divided by IF. IF can be rewritten as, that is equal to IP minus PF. That implies U by V is equal to F by IP is nothing but V minus PF is nothing but focal length, that is equal to F. So cross multiply UV minus FU is equal to VF. So from this equation, UV is equal to VF plus FU. Dividing this equation by UV, UV by UV is equal to VF by UV plus FU by UV. U and U cancel, V and V cancel, UV cancel. That implies F by U plus F by V is equal to 1. 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. This is the mirror equation. And we can also write 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 2 by R, since R is equal to 2F. This is the mirror equation, where U is the object distance, V is the image distance, and F is the focal length. All the distances are measured from the pole of the mirror only. Distances measured in the direction of light are positive, and distances measured opposite to the direction of light are taken as the negative. This is the mirror equation. And here we define one more definition, magnification. How to define the magnification? Magnification is defined as, it is the ratio of image size to the object size, or image height to the object height. Image height, let us suppose this is taken as height of the image and this is the height of object, that is equal to IG divided by OG. The distances measured above the principal axis are positive, distances measured below the principal axis are negative. Hence IG is taken as the height of image, HI divided by height of object. Image height is negative and object height is the positive. Therefore magnification is equal to HI by HO. From the triangle OJP and triangle IGP, we can write tan alpha tan theta is equal to opposite side OJ by OP is equal to IG divided by IP. That implies IG divided by OJ is equal to IP by OP. From the diagram, IG is equal to height of image, OJ is equal to height of the object. OP is the object distance, IP is the image distance. This can be written as HI by HO is equal to V by U. This one is replaced by magnification is equal to minus V by U. Remember, magnification is negative for the real images and magnification is positive for virtual images. Sir, what are the real images and what are the virtual images? So practice the questions, and if you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.